Dear students, today I will go with the class 8th and subject is maths. I already told to you कि for your first chapter is rational number and we have done already exercise 1.1, 1.2 up to question number 5. Let us start question number 6. Question number 6 is which rational numbers have absolute value? First part is less than 4. Like in question number 5 I told to you कि how many rational which rational numbers have absolute value of 5 upon 7 means the number can be positive and negative. So here its answer will be minus 4 and 4 means those rational number who are less than whose absolute value is less than 4, they will be in between minus 4 and 4. Similarly second part less than 2, so here minus 2 and 2 means those number who are between minus 2 and 2 will have the absolute value less than 2. Then question number 7, how many rational numbers have absolute value? First part is greater than 4. Greater than 4 we can't say कि how many numbers are there, so its answer will be infinite. Second part is also infinite. Then question number 8, find the value of, this question is same as question number 3. You will have to take LCM here 5 and 3, and by solving this you have to calculate the absolute value. This you have to do by yourself. Question number 9, state whether true or false. So first part is absolute value of rational number is either positive or 0. Yes, it is true. Absolute value is always positive, never negative. Second part is there are countless rational numbers between absolute value less than 5. Yes, many numbers are there, infinite numbers are there, so its answer is true. Third part is the absolute value of 0 is 0. Yes, absolute value of 0 is 0. We have done in question number 5, fourth part. So next topic is comparison of rational numbers. Means you have to compare the two rational number, 3, 4, many. So how we will compare? If two rational numbers are there, we will just, first method is just we will see the sign. Means if a negative, one number is negative, one number is positive, then negative number will be the smaller one and positive one will be the greater. Then second method, if signs are same, then denominators are different, then we will do by cross multiplying. Like here in first part, this number is negative, this is positive, so negative number is smaller, positive number is greater, so 3 upon 7 is greater. Here minus 3 upon 4 is smaller and 0 is greater. So fourth question you can do, denominators are same, so minus 5 is greater, so minus 5 upon 7 is greater than minus 6 upon 7. Then fifth part is if here both numbers are negative and denominators are different. Let us solve this. So first number is 3 upon minus 8, minus 8 upon 12. So here we will do by cross multiplication. 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. So minus 8 multiply by minus 8, 8 8s are 64, then minus minus is positive, so 64 is greater than 36, so 64 is greater than 36, so minus 8 upon 12 is greater. I think you easily understood now. Then in question number 2, in which pair which number is smaller? You have to tell which number is smaller. So this number is positive, this number is negative, so negative one is smaller. So we can say minus 5 upon 8 is smaller. Here same, both the numbers are negative, denominators are different, so we will do by cross multiplication. Second method is by taking LCM. Both the methods are similar, but if two numbers are there, then we will do by cross multiplication. It is very easy. So take cross multiplication. 10 multiply by minus 8, it is minus 80. 9 multiply by minus 9 is equal to minus 81. So this number is, both our numbers are negative. The smaller number with the negative sign will be the greater number, you know. Then this number is smaller. So we will say कि minus 81 is smaller by minus 80. So minus 9 upon 10 is smaller. Then in question number 3 we have to make the sign. This question you will do by yourself, because here two numbers are there, you can do by cross multiplication. Then question number 4 and 5 arrange in ascending order and descending order. I will explain the method how will you solve this. Now first question is 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, then minus 2 upon 3, minus 1 upon 2, minus 4 upon 7. So here we will make the denominators equal by taking LCM. Take LCM 5, 3, 2, 7. First of all divide with 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. Here will be 1 and 7 as it is. Next number is 3. So 5 as it is, 1, 1, then 7. Next divide with 5, 1, 1, 1, and 7 as it is, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 7 divided by 7 is 1. So LCM will be 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 multiply by 7 is 0, 21. 210 is the LCM. Now first of all take the fraction 4 upon 5. We will have to make the denominator 210. So method is divide 210 with 5. 210, here we will make the line for a work. 210 with 5. So 5 4s are 20, 1, then 0 will come here, 5 2s are 10, then 42. So we will multiply by 42 with numerator and denominator. Now 42 multiply by 4, here you can multiply 8, then 168, and denominator will be 210. I think this step is clear to you. Then next is minus 2 upon 3. So now again we will divide LCM 210 with denominator 3. So 210 with 3, 7 3s are 21, then 0 will come here, 3 zeros are 0. 70. So multiply by 70 with numerator and denominator. So 70 multiply by minus 2 is minus 140, and 70 multiply by 3 is 210. Next is minus 1 upon 2. Again same procedure. 210 divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, then 1 is there, so 0, then 0 will come down, 5. So 105 multiply 105 numerator and denominator. So answer is minus 105 and denominator will be 210. Next fraction is minus 4 upon 7. Minus 4 upon 7. here 210 divide with 7, 7 3s are 21, then this 0 will also come here. So minus 4 upon 7 multiply by 30, also multiply by 30. So minus 120 upon 210. Now these are the equivalent fractions. Here we can compare this to get the ascending order. For ascending order, we will consider the smallest value. How we will compare? This is positive, so this will be greater number. Check the numerator because denominators are same, 210, 210. So this number is positive, so it is greater. We will have to compare these three numbers. So greater number with the negative sign will be the smaller number. So minus 140 is greater number, but with the negative value, so it will be smaller. So we will write minus 140 divided by 210 is smaller than. Next is minus 120 upon 210, then minus 105 upon 210, and next one is 168 upon 210. Now we will write its original number, means equivalent fraction we will write. So 140, its standard form was minus 2 upon 3. So we will write minus 2 upon 3 less than, its value is minus 4 upon 7. Next one is minus 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 5. This is your answer. This is an ascending order. Similarly, you can do other part also, and same you will do the next fifth question, that is arrange in descending order. Here you will take the LCM of 9, 6. This will be positive because both the signs are negative. So 12, then 24, you will take LCM and make the denominators same method is there, but your order will be reverse. This you will have to try yourself. This is all about for today. I think this chapter is completed today. So in the next video I will come with the second chapter. Thank you. Try by yourself, practice at home. Thank you.